Imagine the power of your own voice shaping the reality around you, where simply voicing your desires sets the universe in motion to bring them to your doorstep. Today, we look into the world of affirmations, a potent tool in your personal development arsenal, made more powerful through repetition. By focusing on saying one powerful phrase just 6 times, you can initiate a profound change in your life. This method isn't just about wishful thinking, it's about aligning your conscious thoughts with your unconscious mind to make your desires an inevitable part of your reality. Let's explore how you can harness this technique to attract exactly what you want. At the heart of our exploration is the concept of desire. Desires are not just whims or fleeting wants, they are profound expressions of our deepest needs and aspirations. They reflect our genuine hopes for our lives, encompassing everything from the material, like a new home or a successful career, to the intangible, such as happiness and love. Understanding your desires is the first step toward manifesting them. It's about recognizing what truly matters to you and giving yourself permission to pursue it. The power of acknowledging your desires lies in the emotional resonance they hold. When you truly want something, it stirs emotions within you: excitement, hope, even fear. These emotions are powerful catalysts. They convert stagnant wishes into dynamic energy that propels you forward. But to harness this energy effectively, you need to align your thoughts with your emotions. This alignment is not about mere wishful thinking, it involves a conscious decision to focus your mental energies on your desired outcomes. It's about telling yourself, repeatedly and convincingly, that you can achieve what you seek. This is where the magic of affirmations begins to work. Why does repeating something just 6 times have any effect? Repetition is more than a mechanical act, it's a technique rooted deeply in psychological principles. When you repeat an affirmation, you do more than just say words, you reinforce the belief those words represent. This is crucial because the subconscious mind plays a significant role in shaping our perceptions and reactions. By feeding it positive, affirming messages, we reshape our mental landscape. The psychological impact of this can be profound. Repetition solidifies learning. The more you repeat something, the more ingrained it becomes in your mind. Think of it as laying down a pathway in a wild forest. The first time you walk through, it's a struggle. But each subsequent pass clears the path a bit more, until it's a well-worn track, easy and familiar. The same goes for affirmational repetitions. The repeated act of declaring your intentions helps fix them in your psyche, making them more real and achievable. It's not just about making a wish, it's about building the mental foundation for that wish to stand upon. By understanding the emotional and psychological framework of desires and the reinforcing power of repetition, you are equipped to use affirmations more effectively. These tools aren't just about attracting what you want, they're about transforming your mindset to one of active, confident expectation. You aren't just hoping for good things to happen, you're setting the stage for their arrival. Before you start repeating your affirmation, it's essential to prepare both your mind and your surroundings. The state of your environment can significantly impact the effectiveness of your practice. Start by choosing a quiet, comfortable space where you will not be disturbed. This physical space should feel safe and serene, a place where your thoughts can flow freely without distractions. Whether it's a small corner of your room with a cushion or a dedicated space in your garden, the key is consistency. Using the same space for your affirmations can help condition your mind to enter a state of receptivity more quickly. Equally important is preparing your mind. Before you begin, take a few moments to clear your mind of daily stresses and wandering thoughts. You can do this through a short meditation or deep breathing exercises. This mental preparation helps you focus entirely on your affirmation, making each repetition more potent. The clearer your mind, the more pronounced the imprint your words will leave on your subconscious. This mental clarity will enhance your ability to believe in and ultimately manifest your desires. The effectiveness of this practice hinges significantly on how you craft your affirmation. A well-formulated affirmation is clear, positive, and present tense, as if what you desire is already happening. This isn't just about phrasing, it's about feeling the truth in the words as you say them. For instance, instead of saying "I will be successful," affirm "I am successful." This small shift in language reinforces the belief that the desired state is not just a future possibility but a present reality. Your affirmation should be uniquely yours, resonant with what you truly desire and reflective of your personal voice. Keep it simple and short. A lengthy affirmation can be hard to repeat with sincerity and can dilute the focus. The phrase you choose should be easy to remember and evoke strong positive emotions. When these words are repeated, they should feel like a natural extension of your thoughts, reinforcing your deepest desires and aligning your energy with them. Each repetition acts like a seed planted in the fertile soil of your subconscious, gradually growing into the reality you seek. Remember that the repetition of your affirmation is not just a vocal exercise, it is a ritual of transformation. Each time you repeat your affirmation, you are not just sending a wish into the universe, you are laying the groundwork for your desires to manifest as tangible realities in your life. With your environment set and your affirmation crafted, you are ready to harness the profound power of repetition to bring your desires to fruition. Now that you have your affirmation ready and your mind and environment prepared, let's discuss the core practice, repeating your affirmation 6 times. This method is designed to make a significant impact with minimal repetition, making it a practical choice for daily practice. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or standing, in your designated space. Take a deep breath to center yourself and begin to speak your affirmation out loud, clearly and with conviction. As you repeat the affirmation, focus on the meaning of each word. Visualize that what you are affirming is already true and happening. This visualization is crucial as it combines the power of thought and speech, embedding your desires deeper into your consciousness with each repetition. After saying your affirmation 6 times, take a moment to feel gratitude for the process and the journey of transformation you are undertaking. This gratitude not only enhances the positive energy around your practice but also aligns you more closely with your desires. Visualizing the outcome while you repeat your affirmation enhances its effectiveness. When you close your eyes and imagine your life as if your desire has already been fulfilled, you create a powerful mental image that your subconscious begins to accept as reality. This step is about seeing the results in your mind's eye and feeling the emotions associated with that outcome. Happiness, peace, success, or love, whatever it is you're seeking should be vividly painted in your thoughts. During each repetition of your affirmation, deliberately bring this visualization to the forefront of your mind. Feel the joy, the sense of achievement, or the peace that comes with having your desire fulfilled. The emotional resonance of this visualization sends a strong signal to your subconscious that this is not just a possibility, but an existing reality. This method not only helps to manifest your desires but also improves your mental and emotional well-being by focusing on positive outcomes. As you end your 6 repetitions, hold onto the image and feeling of your visualization, carrying that positivity with you throughout your day. By integrating focused repetition with vivid visualization, you engage multiple aspects of your mind and spirit in the manifestation process. This holistic approach ensures that you are not only declaring what you want but also embedding it deeply into both your subconscious and your everyday life. While affirmations and visualizations are powerful tools for manifestation, they are most effective when supported by corresponding actions. Actions are the physical manifestations of your intentions, serving as concrete steps towards realizing your desires. After completing your repetitions and visualizations, think about the practical actions you can take to bring your desires closer to reality. These don't have to be grand gestures, even small, daily activities can significantly influence your outcomes. For instance, if your affirmation relates to professional success, actions might include updating your resume, networking with peers, or enhancing your skills through courses. Each action should align with the outcome you visualized, actively contributing to making that vision a reality. This alignment ensures that your mental, emotional, and physical energies are all working in harmony towards the same goal, thereby increasing the likelihood of manifestation. Recognizing the signs that your affirmations are working can be inspiring and motivating. These signs often come subtly and may be easy to overlook if you're not attentive. After you've started your practice of repeating affirmations, stay alert to any changes in your environment or interactions that align with your desires. These changes might include new opportunities, helpful people, or even small coincidences that bring you closer to your goal. For example, if your affirmation is about finding love, you might start noticing more social invitations or new people entering your life. These are signs that your affirmations are altering your reality, drawing the desired circumstances towards you. Acknowledging these signs is important as it reinforces your belief in the process and keeps your motivation high. Celebrate these small victories, they are evidence of your power to influence your world through focused intention and repetition. By recognizing and responding to these signs, you reinforce your commitment to your affirmational practice and maintain the flow of positive energy necessary for manifestation. This awareness not only keeps you aligned with your goals but also deepens your connection to the process, enhancing its overall effectiveness. Maintaining a positive outlook is essential as you engage with the process of manifesting your desires. The energy with which you approach your affirmations influences their effectiveness. A mindset of optimism and openness allows you to be more receptive to the opportunities and blessings that come your way. Keeping your thoughts and emotions positive isn't just about feeling good. It's about creating an environment where your affirmations can thrive. Consistently reinforce your positive outlook by reminding yourself of your progress and the potential of your actions to bring about change. This might mean regularly revisiting your reasons for choosing your specific affirmations or keeping a journal where you note any small changes or successes. The key is to keep your spirits high and your mind focused on the positive outcomes, even when immediate results aren't apparent. This sustained positive attitude is crucial for overcoming any challenges and discouragements that might arise. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that enhances the manifestation process. By focusing on what you are thankful for, you cultivate an abundance mindset, which attracts more abundance into your life. After completing your repetitions and throughout your day, take moments to reflect on what you are grateful for. Be it progress towards your goals, your ability to commit to the affirmation process, or other aspects of your life. This practice of gratitude will not only keep you grounded and prevent negative emotions from derailing your efforts but will also increase your overall happiness and satisfaction. It serves as a reminder that every step forward is a part of your growth and should be celebrated. Gratitude strengthens your resolve to continue with your affirmations, ensuring that your energy and focus are aligned with your desires. Remember that the path to manifesting your desires is both simple and profound. It begins with a clear, purposeful statement, repeated with conviction and supported by visualizations and actions that align with your goals. The practice of repeating your affirmations 6 times harnesses the power of your subconscious mind, gradually transforming your beliefs and, consequently, your reality. Continue to use this method daily, and remain mindful of the changes around you. With each repetition, you are not just wishing for a change, you are laying the foundation for it. Keep your thoughts focused, your actions aligned, and your heart open to the possibilities that each day holds. Over time, you will find that the things you once hoped for begin to manifest in your life as if by magic, but really, it is the result of your intentional creation. Remember, the journey of manifestation is as much about the destination as it is about the growth and insights gained along the way. Each step you take builds your understanding of yourself and your ability to shape your life's narrative. The practice of affirmations, particularly through the method of 6 repetitions, is a tool that empowers you to activate your inner potential and realize your dreams. Keep moving forward with patience and persistence, and allow each day to bring you closer to your ultimate goals. Trust in the process, believe in your affirmations, and open yourself to receive all the good that you deserve.